Drumming rhythm. Drumming is the oldest form of healing on earth. Just by simply listening to the drums will have many positive effects on you, because it alters your brain waves similar to binaural beats. Drumming brings you to a relaxed state. It distracts you from all the thoughts you have. It simply relaxes your busy mind and your whole body. Drumming brings you to a higher consciousness where healing can happen and where all your questions can be answered. Even if you don't practice any shamanic methods, the drumming rhythm will still have great benefits for you. Normally you need someone who drums for you so that you can go on a journey. But these days we are lucky and can use modern technology like a CD player or MP3 player. There are some CDs for shamanic journeys out there, and they are perfect for city shamans like us.